So let's solve some problems. This problem came in IIT JAM examination 2016. Let's read the question. A particle is moving in a plane with a constant radial velocity of 12 meter per second and constant angular velocity of 2 radian per second. Please see the units. Okay. When the particle is at a distance 8 meter from the origin, the magnitude of the instantaneous velocity of the particle in meter per second is. If you have seen my previous video, I think you have already done the problem, but if you're not, no issues, it can be also made clear over here. So let's do. See what is given. A particle is moving in a plane, so, and it's two-dimensional, so you have to catch that it's plane polar coordinate system, and the formula of velocity in plane polar coordinate system is given by r dot e cap r plus r theta dot e cap theta, right? So the velocity is given as 12. I mean, this is r dot radial. I have told you this portion is known as radial velocity, this portion is known as transverse, or you can say angular. As theta dot is linked to this r, you can easily say this is angular velocity, and it is 2 radian per second. Radian per second is SI unit. Sometimes it can be given revolution per second. You would need to convert to radian per second and solve the problem. Please do very careful about these things. Don't do silly mistakes, it's my request. So r dot is given as 12 meter per second and theta dot is given angular velocity, it's 2 radian per second, and r, that is when the particle is at a distance r equals to 8 meter from the origin, so r is given by 8 meter. R might not be mentioned, it can be given that it is at a distance 8 meter, so you need to do that. Just you need to take r as 8 meters. Okay, just put the values and do the problem. R is 8, theta dot is 2, and if you draw this, I have told you that this is r, this is the direction of r, and this is the direction of theta, this is orthogonal, that is 90 degree, so this and this, the direction is always 90 degree, so it's going to be this. And if you just need to find the magnitude, and these are orthogonal, you know from your vector algebra that it will be 12 square plus 16 square, which is equal to 144 plus 256 equals to 400 root, and the answer is 20 meter per second. So it's very easy problem. It came in IIT JAM 2016. You can easily do this. Hope the problem is clear to you. Let's go to the next problem. This came in IIT JAM 2017. The problem is saying, let's read that. In plane polar coordinate, an object's position at time t is given as r comma theta. R is e to the power t meter and theta is root over 8 t radian, correct? Yeah. So, and we need to find the magnitude of its acceleration in meter per second square at t is equal to 0. So this is again from plane polar coordinate. The last problem was based on velocity and this problem is based on acceleration. So just put the formula of acceleration. A equals to r double dot r theta dot square plus d1 upon r squared dot. Yeah, this is the acceleration formula of acceleration. So r is given as e to the power t. If you derivative it twice, you will obviously get e to the power t. Yeah, so e to the power t, r is e to the power t, and okay, so this will be 8. R dot is 8, sorry, theta dot is 8, and theta is theta dot square. I need, yeah, it's 8. Okay, 1 upon r is e to the power t d dt of r squared is equals to e to the power 2t theta dot, so root 8. Okay, so this is minus 7 e to the power t plus this is root 8 is a constant, it is 2 e to the power 2t. Okay, yeah, that's correct. So you can just know this power and power gets cut, and it is 2 root 8 e to the power t, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, mention this. Yeah. So these are again perpendicular. Just take the modulus. If you calculate this with the help of a calculator, you can download an app. It's known as Gate Calculator. In JAM, you have to use that calculator only. So it's better if you practice from now. You can also use your calculator, but in examination you have to use Gate Calculator. So practice in that. That's better. Whatever. Our answer is 9 meter per second square. Okay. Here it is written nearest integer. I haven't wrote that, but in the actual question it was given nearest integer, whatever. You have to write 9 meter per second square. So this is the answer. So these two questions had already came in JAM. You can also practice from your material stuffs, books, whatever you have, to gain some confidence. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. Hope it's helpful. Thanks again.